Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a loaded smoked salmon dip. Delicious and full of flavor and very easy to make with stuff that's basically in your pantry. I learned to make a version of this in Alaska and I've sea-beat it out for you guys. It is so good. So the Tokyo Olympics start this week, and if you saw my Black in Tokyo video, you'd see it's a spectacular and beautiful city. Most of you know that I love sports, and the Olympics have been my favorite since I'm a kid, and I cheer for all the athletes and love all the stories. I absolutely can't wait. Alaska, the last frontier, is teeming with salmon, and the demo cooking class that I took at Icy Strait Point was informative and delicious. Now my kicked up version has simple ingredients, very easy to find. So what I tried to do was use the lower fat versions of the cream cheese and mayo, substitute Greek yogurt instead of sour cream, and if you don't have a smoker, you can use a can of sockeye salmon and a couple of drops of liquid smoke, and trust me, it does the trick. Now I brined and smoked those two fillets at 180 degrees for a couple of hours, and then I sauteed some chopped onions. What I did is I used the test kitchen method and used a pinch of baking soda, which breaks down the onions and makes them soft that they'll melt right into the dip. After a couple minutes, I added a couple cloves of garlic chopped and then set them aside to cool. With the room temperature cream cheese, mayo, and Greek yogurt, I used a hand mixer to blend them together until smooth. Added the lemon pepper and a bit of the store-bought smoked salmon chopped up, and I blended it in. Bit of lemon juice, some lemon zest. I added chives, chopped flat leaf parsley, and a few drops of your favorite pepper sauce. And just a few drops of the Worcestershire sauce, as it can be overpowering. By the way, the full recipe is available at cbactivetraveler.com. And from this point on, I used a rubber spatula to combine the rest of the ingredients. Now that's the secret: wasabi. You know how you go to get sushi, and when you get the salmon rolls, he puts the wasabi, or the chef puts the wasabi up underneath the salmon? That's the secret ingredient. There's the rest of the seasonings: that's smoked paprika, garlic powder, basil, and there's the onions and garlic. Just blend them in, and they'll melt right into the dip. So all that's left is the salmon. And as you can see, I just chopped mine up into bite-sized pieces. Again, the canned, drained with liquid smoke is a very good substitute. And I just added mine to this delicious, loaded salmon dip, CB style. I just folded everything in. And I gotta tell you guys, first of all, this freezes really well in an airtight container, but good luck, because I had a tough time not finishing this off before it was time to food style it. This stuff is so bomb. On a cracker with some veggies or on a crostini. You guys gotta make this for the games. There's a nice little kick from the wasabi too. Listen to what I'm talking about. Oh my God. CB's loaded smoked salmon dip. I hope you guys make this and enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and comment, everybody. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time.
Fat, you promised me we were gonna cut an album.
And we are. But we need the right songs. Listen, Pat, I've been talking to Babyface, Andrew Lloyd Webber, Burt Bacharach, Snoop Dogg. It's not easy finding material worthy of a performer of your stature.
I wouldn't know. You never call me back.
Would I burden you with my problems? Pat, I should be the one to be mad at you. You ruined my surprise.
Surprise? What surprise?
Meet me back here around midnight.